Hi there. Thanks for joining us. In this lesson, I will teach you how to implement SASS preprocessor with vendor prefix in our React application. As you can see in the screen, we have a fresh installation of React. Without further ado, let's begin. Now in our code editor, let's split our console. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna use an npm package named SASS, npmi SASS. Okay, enter, and it will take a couple of seconds. Okay, and after the installation, we'll be right back. Now that our installation is done, so let's verify in package.json, as you can see here. Okay, we have SASS installed. Okay, so here let's make a couple of change. So in app.js, so let's copy this. I will use our function RAFCE. Okay, and okay, so I'm gonna remove this. I will add a fragment. Okay, div that name h1 React with SASS. Okay, let's save. But here in app.css, we will rename this file, the extension to app.scss. Our app will break, but don't worry. Let's go in app.js. So we're gonna add scss and save everything. Okay, as you can see, back to normal. And after that, let's add our folder. Let's structure our application. Let's name it SASS. Okay. Inside of it, I will add, partial code. Let's say this one will be named mixin. Okay, .scss. Okay, and after that, another file. Let's name it variables. SCSS. Okay, and another one. Let's name it layout. .scss. Okay, like so. After that, so let's go in app.css, scss. Okay, I'm gonna remove all of these. Okay, now let's import. Okay, let's go in SASS folder. Okay, so I'm gonna import everything. Okay, so we don't need to add the extension. Okay, we copy and okay, mixin. Okay, variable. So for mixin is for reusable piece of code. So layout, you can eventually add, for example, if you want a file for responsive. Okay, and let's go. Okay, and add responsive. Okay, and save. Now, this is how our application look. So let's add some SASS code in it. Let's back to our code editor. Before going further, I reorder my files here. Okay, now let's create variables. First of all, I will need color, dash primary. Okay, let's say red, for example. And let's duplicate to save some time. And this will be color secondary. Let's make it, white, like so. Okay, so after that, let's go to layout. Okay, so what we are going to do in layout, as you can see in my app.js, I have main. So layout, let's say main. Let's say background color, primary color. Okay, after that, height 100 VH and display flex, specify content center, align item center. Okay, but also with SASS we can have nested CSS. Okay, see, we can have nested CSS as I've shown you in our last tutorial. Okay, this will be, let's say, color will be color secondary, font size 40 pixels, and text transform uppercase. Okay, let's save. Let's check our browser. Okay, as you can see, so this is our application with SASS. So now let's inspect, because we also should implement, vendor prefix. As you can see, guys, here we don't have vendor prefix. So how to solve this? So let's go back to our code editor. Okay, in our code editor, so this question was asked on Stack Overflow, and how they solve this. So this is a snippet that I take from Stack Overflow. So they remove was a list. For example, this piece of code, as you can see. Okay, I will remove this piece of code. I will add this was a list since 2010 and save. And now to take effect, so I'm gonna kill the server and we start it again. After restarting our application, guys and girls, this is now you see our application. So here you see all the vendor prefix. Okay, so let's go back. Let's make a test to see if this is really works. And let's go back here in our code editor, and I'm gonna remove this. Okay, okay, and now let's go back again. Okay, here as you can see. Okay, so let's go back. I'm gonna add again. Oops. Okay, save, and the last check. Okay, as you can see, so our vendor prefix is working perfectly. So this is it, guys and girls. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If this is your first time in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to receive our last video. With that being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.